All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is September 25th, 2024. My name is John Kerrigan. I moderate the BYOB trading room. Let's take a look at some charts. Okay, first chart we'll take a look at is SPY. All right, so and on the 10-minute chart, we have a kind of a 10-minute downtrend right here. Little pop right there, but it didn't get anywhere. So kind of a 10-minute downtrend. Let's take a look at 2-hour chart. 2-hour chart is, move this out of the way. Got a 10-minute cross. All right, so barely a 10-minute uptrend. Let's see what we got into the last candle. 3 EMA 570.27, 8 EMA 570.20. Wait, 3 is 570.29, and the 8, oh, they just keep changing. Let's try this one. That's the 4 o'clock one. 570.30, 570.28. So we still have a bullish trap on the 2-hour chart. On the daily, we still have price up over the 8 EMA along with the 3 EMA. And we have an open trap, so that is a bullish trap there. Price action for today, higher low, higher high, closing over, is that over? Over the bullish trap and over the 17 EMA. All right, so there's some SPYs. Take a look at QQQ. QQQ pulling the same deal. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap, over the 17 EMA. Still in an uptrend. So QQQ makes a higher high. That's making a higher low here and a higher high. That's in an uptrend. SPY, also same deal. Made a higher low and a higher high. That's an uptrend. Let's take a look at FNGU. FNGU making a higher low. No higher high yet, just more consolidation into this pop up here. Price action for today is higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap, over the 17 EMA. So FNGU still in an uptrend. IWM, lower high, lower low, closing underneath bullish trap. And we don't have the 17s on these. Let's go to this one right. Let's go to this one right here. Okay, and let's hit IWM on the daily and over the 17 EMA. All right, let's take a look at Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow, did they make a new all-time high? It looks like they did. New all-time high for Diamond Dow. Higher high and lower low, closing inside the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. So Diamond Dow puts in a new all-time high today. Let's take a look at our technicals. T2122. We spent the day in the buyer's chop zone. All right. T2123. We made new all-time highs on T2123. A little bullishness up there. See green at the beginning of the day, and then just chop and chunk all afternoon. That's it on T2123. T2123 3-bar, got a whole lot more space opening up between rising 17 EMA and the price action, putting in 3 more green candle bars, okay, up over, making a new all-time high, T2123. Let's take a look at FNGU, price action for FNGU today. A little bullishness in the morning and just a whole lot more consolidation, mainly just, it looks like selling, but it's up over, the 200 SMA. They would have come back there if it was selling. It's really just consolidation up here at the highs. Holding the higher ground. Tomorrow's GDP first thing in the morning. I got to tell you, I'm expecting a pop. A pop to the upside. We'll see what happens. All right, there's FNGU. Let's go back and take a look at our sectors. Let's take a look first at USO. That's petroleum crude oil. Still in a downtrend. Lower high, lower low. Okay, price action, lower high, lower low, closing under a bullish trap underneath a curling 17 EMA. So was trying to fight off that downtrend. I think they took a hold of it right there. We'll see what happens. Still in a downtrend, USO. UNG in an uptrend. All right, making higher lows and higher highs. UNG is, for today, kind of another inside day. Let's see. High for this day is 1608. High for this day is 1609. Higher low, higher high. Closing over a bullish trap over the 17 EMA. UNG still in an uptrend. You can look at silver and gold as silver. Silver putting in an inside day, higher low, lower high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Silver still in an uptrend, making higher lows and higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Silver still in an uptrend. GLD yesterday made new all-time highs. Today they did it again. Another new all-time high for GLD, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. All right, let's take a look at SMH, see if anything changed there. Oh, look what we got here. Check this out. Okay, so I've been waiting for price action on the GLD to get up over, start moving up and start making a higher high. Okay, so we've got the higher low. Just wondering, it took the bulls a while to get inspired here to make the higher high. Okay, got the higher low, looking for the higher high up here. We are in an uptrend still because we made a higher high than right there, but I'm still looking for that higher high there. So there's SMH up over all-time high anchored VWAP like that. Like to see that make that higher high. See if the bulls can get it done. XLK. Okay, XLK kind of creeping up, not quite as much as SMH, but it's got a head start. Again, XLK technology sector, okay, making a higher low, waiting for that higher high, just like we are in SMH. All right, notice price action is up over the all-time high anchored VWAP and is in an uptrend. That is bullish. All right, same thing with SMH. Up over all-time high anchored VWAP and in an uptrend. That's bullish. All right, let's take a look at XLI. XLI makes a brand new all-time high today. XLI, new all-time high. Right there, higher low, higher high, closing over the trap, over the 17 EMA. XLI, in an uptrend. XLF. XLF, about 20 days ago, put in this all-time high right here. Since then, it's made a higher low, and we're still waiting on the bulls to produce the higher high. Okay? If the bears take out this low, we will have a downtrend. Okay, XLF. Price action for today. This is the all-time high. Notice we are kind of teetering on the all-time high anchored VWAP there. Price action, we got the 3 crossing underneath the 8. Not a good sign. Price action is lower high, lower low, closing under bearish cross and under the 17 EMA, XLF right there. And then again, it could be just bullish consolidation. All right, so if we take a look at this, kind of fill that in. You got a big bull flag pole, and then right here, got ourselves a flag. All right, so that right there could be bull flag, even though just consolidating up there. We'll see what happens. Okay, so far we're still bullish. All right, we have not made a lower low. I do not want to see a clean candle underneath the 17 EMA though. Okay, that's what I don't want to see. All right, XLF still in an uptrend. Okay, XLK still in an uptrend. SMH still in an uptrend. Who else still in an uptrend? T2123 still in an uptrend, making new all-time highs. Gold making new all-time highs, still in an uptrend. Silver still in an uptrend. UNG, natural gas, in an uptrend. Let's take a look what else we got. XRT. XRT still in a downtrend, hasn't made a new high for a long time. Okay, so XRT downtrend, waiting on the bulls since they made this higher low to produce a higher high. Still can't get it done yet. Price action for today. Outside day, higher high, lower low. Closing in the bullish trap over the 17 EMA, okay? Still waiting for this retail sector to produce the higher high. Okay, still in a downtrend there. Now here's my favorite one, transports. I did not like that candle. Didn't see that coming. Is that okay? That's a misprint. Okay, so the real low is 68.20. Let's go see how far off they are. Okay, so what we got today, since that's the low and that's the high, is a higher high and a higher low, closing over a bullish trap over the 17 EMA. IYT up over the recent high anchored VWAP for 2024. See that right there, up over the anchored VWAP. Okay, not able to hold price support, or maybe it did. This will be the this will be the second day holding price support in a row. They broke it up right here. So second day holding price support up over 2024 high anchored VWAP right there, and putting in a higher low and a higher high. That's bullish right there. It's still in an uptrend. All right, so there's IYT. And on the US dollar, let's go take a look at the dollar. And where's the dollar here? All right, US dollar. Oh, we got a bullish reversal here, a bullish engulfing almost on the dollar candle for today. All right, so we're closing up around 100.97. Still in a downtrend, making lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. It's still not broken yet. Okay, so still in a downtrend on the daily chart. Looking for it to break this low right here. We'll see what happens. All right, so we did the technicals. All right, the market is still bullish. All right, tomorrow I'm expecting really good GDP. Not really good, but just adequate GDP to provide us with another lift if it's in them to do it. Okay. I do see one more pop here, maybe into 580, and then where we go from there, we'll see. All right, so I'm expecting a nice pop tomorrow after GDP comes out at 8:30. I don't know if they're going to move it $10 between 8:30 and closing time. I don't know, and 9:30. We'll see what happens, but I imagine they do probably tackle the all-time highs up there. If they don't tackle them overnight, we'll see what happens, all right? So I want to thank everybody for being here today. Thank you. Hope you made some money. It was another freaky tough day, all right? Why was it a freaky tough day? Because SPY... okay, did nothing but blast up and then melt off. Okay, here's your price action for today. We took the green, erases red. All right, we took the green, erases red right over the base. Okay, so that we bought it up to there, and then that's it. It just melted off all day long. See that? Just melted all day long after hitting that high right up there at 571.89. All right, so just melted off all day. All right, traders, that's it for me. Everybody have a wonderful evening. Thank you for being here. Thanks, Alan, Lloyd, R2D2, Bobby. Yep, and we'll see you tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. Thanks again, everybody out there in digital land. Thanks, Robert.